but this ash brown color eats. What's up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all this really beautiful wig. I'm also going to be switching up the styles of my videos. If you guys have been watching me, I kind of show you guys these installs and then I come back and talk about the video. Today in this video, I'm going to show y'all a little bit unboxing and then I jump right into it because I don't know if y'all want to see the install, but I'm going to tell y'all how I did install the wig. Anyway, that's enough about that. Today we're talking about this Outre Kinkysoft Edges wig because we're excited. We got kinky edges on Outre's brand, okay? I'm gonna show y'all a little bit about this wig, tell y'all how I feel, and wrap it up. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, let's jump in.
So hello there. As much as I said I was not going to show you guys a wig install, I think I forgot that part, so let's do a little unboxing. So again, this is the Outre Kinkysoft one wig, and I have the color Ash Brown Melt. You're going to get your standard cap construction, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. You're going to get just a T-part effect with this wig. You're going to get a standard lace part, and you're also going to get an elastic band if you want to wear it glueless. And y'all see those kinky edges? Now, I know y'all see these turbans all the time. I'll link them in the cards. I got them off Amazon. So this is my hair, nice and flat. Don't judge my braids. They looking dusty, crusty. Oh no! But I made it nice and flat. I molded it down, and now I'm just going to put a wig cap on to get it nice and flat. These wig caps sometimes are too tight, so cut it like this. Pro tip, okay? And whoo, feels a lot better. I like to wear a wig cap for the snags, and now I'm just going to put the wig on. This elastic band is adjustable if you want to wear that wig glueless, like I said, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just installing the wig here, and wow. Wow. Okay, Outre. So these are those nice, beautiful, soft, kinky edges, and they're really soft and they're really nice. I was feeling the wig. So now that lace, let's match it to your complexion. So I like to use powder or lace tinting spray. Today I'm going to use this lace tinting spray. I did go a little bit too heavy on the lace tinting spray, but I really do like this one to match my complexion. I feel like it does a really good job. And then I just cut the lace off. No specific way, just cut it off with the eyebrow razor. It makes it nice and jagged, and put the wig on. And again, you could wear this wig glueless, but I was trying to figure it out. This wig is nice, okay? So I decided that I did want to secure it. So I'm just combing it out, getting out all the snags and filling the wig out, seeing what I want to do with it. And I decided to go in and melt this wig with my Lace Bond adhesive spray. This is the Kiss Colors and Care one. I really do like this one, guys. I'll leave it all down below along with this blow dryer under Wig Essentials, where you can shop anything that you need for your wig install. So I like to get it nice and a little tacky at first, and then I just put that lace right over it. It dries really fast, and I like this spray because it doesn't leave a lot of residue. So I'm just pressing it in and using my blow dryer and just securing that wig. And I'm just doing the front, guys. I'm not gonna go all the way down. I feel like wigs like this, you can get away with just kind of melting the front, but I like it so the wigs don't slide back. It's just my extra layer of security. And for the final touches of melting, I use my lace melting band for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm just breaking up the residue, which is not a lot, and I'm combing down those edges, and she was coming together. She was looking really nice. She's looking really natural. But then you just go in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Somebody asked me about the residue and if you should go in with water. I like to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and it does help with that residue. But the sides, y'all see how natural it was looking? If you want to secure them, I do recommend that bowl hole liquid gold on the sides to hold down the air tabs. I mean, that spray does work, but the bowl hole just is going to get it a little bit better. So all I'm doing is just breaking up that adhesive and bringing down some of those edges. When Outre said kinky soft, they definitely meant that. So these edges weren't too harsh, and I do like that about this wig. And I do recommend a rat tail comb. Y'all see these edges? I had to come in a little closer and show you how natural it was looking. Okay, so I do recommend going in with a rat tail comb. I'll leave them all linked down under Wig Essentials. I just kind of trimmed up the edges a little bit. You can trim them down some more, but I do like how natural she was looking. She was coming together really nice. So I went in with a little bit of powder in that parting space because we want these parts to look as natural as possible. We want it to look like scalp. I do recommend some synthetic wig spray. It's definitely going to help with some maintenance and those snags in these wigs. Guys, these are synthetic wigs. Keep that in mind. They are not human. So you definitely need to go in with a little bit of maintenance to get the wig to look as natural as possible. And this unbrush, blush, all of this stuff I definitely do recommend. And all of that I did for that little part in the middle, y'all, I still went in with a flip over. I think I was feeling a flip over a little bit more, and this is the final results.
The next morning.
All right, my friends, I am back, y'all. I'm in love with this wig. So first of all, I want to tell y'all a little secret. I'm filming this wig the next day. As you can hear, I like literally just woke up.
Yes, I'm a dirty old lady.
I slept in my makeup and I freshened it up and came back to the video because I was tired, y'all. I was tired filming the video last night. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about her. So with that said, I slept in this wig and she's still cute. Like, I freshened her up with my wig spray and a little bit of water. I think I'm gonna make a little short showing you guys what to do if you happen to sleep in your wig. But this wig is bomb. It's coming off a little, is it coming off gray on camera? I'm trying to make sure the lighting's right, but anyway, it's not. It's this perfect ash blonde. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. So this wig is from the Melted Hair. Oh, so y'all don't judge me. I do have like an appointment to go to. I got an MRI appointment to go to, and I have to take this wig off before I go to the appointment, but I didn't want to lose the wig and the makeup, and so I'm about to take a shower after I'm done with this. It's a long story. Anyway, y'all don't judge me.
Okay.
Let's talk about this wig. So this wig is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. This is from the Kinkysoft and Edges collection. Now, this is a newer collection that I've seen from Outre. I'm really excited about this one, guys, because Outre hasn't done the kinky edges yet. I mean, we've seen the kinky edges from Sensational as far as synthetic wig brands. I did see it from Zuri Sis. I wasn't too happy with that one. But this one is from Outre, so I'm happy they are giving us the kinky edges. I'm here for it. So as far as specs goes, it says it's going to come with these textured kinky edges. Can you guys see that? I don't know if the color of this wig is letting you see. Let's see. Let's try to get this lighting right. Can you guys see that? Yeah. But if you watch my short video, you'll see exactly what it looked like out the pack. I think that lighting might look a little bit better. Okay, so if you watch the short video, you'll see exactly how it looks right out the pack. So y'all watch the short videos. I'll show you guys different things in these short videos. It says it's glueless. We're going to talk about that. It does come with a pre-elastic band. It is 28 inches. I have the style Kinkysoft 1. I got to get out of here. I got to be done in 20 minutes, but I think we could do that. I have the color Ash Brown Melt. This is also a newer color for me, and it does come in some other colors: DR Red Velvet, Ginger Brown, Blackberry, some other newer colors, which I do want to go back and get. Like I said, it's from the Melted Hairline collection. If you're familiar with that collection, this comes with a standard middle part, y'all. Like, I showed you the part, and initially I did put, you can see the weft, because this is not supposed to be a flip over. I made it like this. The part is in the middle, okay? So it is going to come with that standard lace part, but y'all know once I put my wigs in position, I don't really like to move them. There is no parting space around this wig. It's just going to be that middle part. So yes, I did kind of a flip over thing, but you could do that, you know? There's no lace though, so keep in mind there's no lace all around. It's just right in the middle like the stock card. But you could get away with doing a flip over. I really want to see this on a Perfect Hairline collection, okay? This right now is just on the Melted Hairline collection, these kinky edges, but if this came out on the Perfect Hairline collection, Outre, y'all will kill it. But I know they coming. I know they coming. But as far as install goes, I install this wig exactly how I install all my other wigs. I make sure my hair is really flat. I feel like that really makes a difference with these wigs, guys. This one might be a little snug or tighter for some people. Blue, stop! It might be a little snugger or tighter for some people depending on how your hair is laying underneath. I noticed that. I really feel like that makes a difference. But with these Melted Hairline collections, these standard lace part collections, they're supposed to give you that glueless effect, so they're going to be a little tighter. So keep that in mind. But you could get away with just melting like the top hair. I did off camera kind of end up melting down all the way down. I did do that. And on the sides, it wasn't holding. So I do suggest going in with like maybe a little bit of Bold Hold liquid gold on the sides. or this lace jelly. I really do like those products. I went in with a little bit of lace tint spray. You can go in with lace tint spray or powder, either one to match the wig to your complexion, but I like lace tint spray, but it does tint your lace. So once you shampoo it, the tint might still kind of be there. If you want to get a clean lace kind of all the time and not be tinted, use powder. That's what I've discovered. But overall, get your synthetic wig sprays. It does make a difference, guys. I really do believe that this wig is kinky, but it is synthetic, okay? But to soften it up, I like to go in with a little bit of wig conditioner and water, and it kind of refreshes the wig a little bit to me. It makes it a little softer, and I like it. I really do like it. I think this wig is so natural. So realistic. It looks so good. So as far as pros and cons go, as far as cons, I don't really have many cons. The kinky edges to me are really realistic. It says they're soft edges, and I like that. I don't feel like they came out too harsh. I don't feel like I had to apply any heat. I literally just kind of combed them down. You can cut them off. You can do whatever that you like with them, but I didn't have to manipulate these edges too much, and I really like it, because normally with the other ones, you know, you got to play with the edges a little bit, but with this one out the pack, it kind of seemed a little intimidating, but it wasn't. It was a good balance of kinky edges to me. This is my opinion. The texture, this texture is that kinky texture that you guys like. This is remind me of one of my favorite kinky synthetic wigs, Katia, and that was from the Perfect Hairline collection. And one of my favorite colors from that wig style was creamy toffee. Like, I love that wig, and the fact that they're giving this, I was kind of disappointed I didn't see like a mocha or a creamy toffee, but I didn't know how I would feel about this ash brown color. But this ash brown color eats. It is so pretty. It is really nice. Initially, I was like, oh, I'm going to look like a fox, or I'm going to look like a lion with this wig on. But this is such a pretty blend. Outre does an amazing job. I tell you guys all the time how they really get their dimensions right. Like, on camera, it's looking a little green. It's not. It really isn't green. It's like that ash blonde color. It says ash blonde, ash brown, but it's a really good kind of ashy color. It's gorgeous, y'all. I like the browns in here mixed with the black. Like, it's just such a pretty color. So I feel like this is somewhat comparable to that DR creamy toffee color. If you guys like that one, this one is a good one, because I tried to go back and buy that wig and I don't think I can find it. So this is a good one. Now, if you don't like the kinky edges on this, again, keep in mind Katia. That wig is very comparable. Someone did ask me to do like an updated kinky, my favorite like kinky edges wig video. I have so much stuff to film, guys. Outre Katia definitely is one of my favorites. This is probably going to be added to the list for sure of a top fave kinky textured synthetic wig, and somewhat sensational. So maybe I'm gonna have that video for you guys, you know, because y'all need to see that, and y'all need to see it before it gets warm outside. Facts. But this, I would wear this wig all year round, y'all, and I also want to go back and get a natural color in this wig because it is so pretty. This is definitely a wig to have in your collection for sure. Again, the length is 28 inches. It's really long, guys. I try to wear this black shirt so you guys could see it. But the good part about these wigs is you can always cut them. If they're too long, you can absolutely cut them. So I like the fact that I have length to play with if I want to make it shorter. The only thing is that you might lose some of the tips at the end, but you still got some right here because it's layers in here too. So I love this wig. I love her. I absolutely love her. I think I want to go back and get that Kinkysoft too for you guys. I do have a lot of wigs that I ordered for you guys because I know I've been slacking. Your girl been slacking, but I'm trying to get back in the flow of these things. You know, I'm trying my hardest, but I'm here for it. Putting on a wig like this and feeling so good like this kind of reminds me why I continue this channel, why I continue to do Miss Khrissy. You put yourself together like on a budget, and it's like it brings you out of your funk. So anybody is watching this going through something, don't doubt it. Go ahead and buy that wig, put yourself together, and you will feel amazing. Okay, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.